Same size as that one I just caught. Man, maybe not hardly as big. Pretty fish, though. If we come out of this old muddy pond. Just bring him right up here where I can get to him. You got him? That's a pretty fish. Thank you, old boy. Oh yeah, you're just hooked right there in the lip. That's good. Needle nose would be better. There we go.
Hold it.
Alright, chill out. What about that? He ain't fat, but he's a pretty good fish. Let's see if we can do a little better about getting this one back in the water. Oh, he got a bait too. Boom, he's gone though. He got the chewing on my thumb. I had to let him go.